How to verify your identity on FanDuel. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can verify your identity on FanDuel. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to verify your identity on FanDuel, it is fairly simple for us to do so. What we have to do is we have to launch our browser, go to fanduel.com or sportsbook.fanduel.com. Log into your account, and my account is currently not verified. So if I want to verify my account, you can just try to add any funds in this case, right? So if I click on add funds, automatically it'll take me to the next page where I have to verify my identity. And to verify your identity, you will need a valid government issued photo ID. So first it'll ask you for your legal name. So enter your first name, enter your last name, and click the next button. Then simply choose your date of birth, which is your month, the day, as well as also the year. Then after you've done that, simply make sure to enter your mobile number and click the next option. Make sure to enter your address, and after you've done that, select your state, zip code, and click the next button. Enter the last 4 digits of your SSN and confirm that you have provided the registration information. Then click on the verify my identity button, and once done and you follow the on-screen instructions, your identity on your FanDuel will be successfully verified. This way you can verify identity on FanDuel. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.